Days begin to blur. Alex tries everything to keep it together. He builds a fortress from cheese balls, fills a kiddie pool with water, and drives the forklift through shelves like a grocery store Mad Max. But even these joys start to feel empty. Surrounded by cash, 400,000 and counting, he can't buy a single moment of peace. This is the real price of chasing wealth alone. The collapse, the flood. Around day 40, disaster strikes. Alex crashes the forklift into the pool, flooding his sleeping area. His stash of money gets soaked. His willpower almost snaps. He slumps in bed, barefoot and hollow-eyed. "I just want to go home," he whispers, but he doesn't. Not yet. The final test, loneliness versus legacy day. 45. The store is empty. The silence is suffocating. A robot drops off his money. Even Mr. Beast doesn't show up anymore. That's how isolating things have become. Not even YouTube royalty wants to hang out. Then, one last twist. Jimmy returns and brings Alex's wife and kids. This is it. Alex stands at the red line. One step forward and he's free. One step forward and he leaves with 400